flash before my eyes.
This week we're embracing the dark side.
Look out!
And following in villainous footsteps.
Idiot!
As we bring Mrs Tweedy's dystopian dreams to life.
You are going to be a pie.
By recreating this iconic dish from Chicken Run.
I don't want to be a pie.
Watch out, poultry.
We still on? Oh, we're on all right.
Welcome to Bite Club.
Here we go again.
Looks like we've got ourselves here some carrots, onions and mushrooms. Let us begin by prepping our veg. We need 1 diced onion, 2 carrots peeled and chopped, and 150 grams of chopped mushrooms. Finally, chuck in a small handful of finely chopped fresh parsley. Sweat the onion in 2 tablespoons of butter and a drizzle of oil for some more favourable heat tolerance.
That doesn't sound good.
Once the onions are nice and translucent, drop in the carrots and mushrooms. Cook the veg for a good 5 to 8 minutes until the carrots are fork tender. For flavourings, I like 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme and a good 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper. I want to feel that pepper, but feel free to dial it down if you're a little bit of a loser.
How dare you!
Season with salt, but be mindful not to be too heavy-handed if you're using a salty stock.
Couldn't agree more.
Give it a minute or 2 until fragrant, then drop in 3 tablespoons of flour and cook out the flour for a couple of minutes. Give it a minute or 2 until fragrant. Trickle in 400 millilitres of your fave chicken stock.
Get the chickens.
We're going to bring this up to a simmer and then let it bubble away for 5 minutes until it's thickened up nicely.
What about Edwina?
Finally, it's time for the chicken to get in its gravy bath.
I don't like gravy.
Add in 500 grams of cooked chopped chicken. This is 2 breasts and 2 thighs that have just been quickly poached. Then for a movie on faithful handful of frozen peas.
What's all this?
Mrs Tweedy might not approve, but my mummy loves them.
You great lummox.
Give it a taste test and add extra salt if needed. Now this needs to cool completely before assembling.
Good things come to those who wait, dollface.
For the pastry we need 300 grams of plain flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 200 grams of cold cubed unsalted butter. I'm using a pastry blender to cut through the butter and work it into the flour. You can use a food processor. The key is just to keep any hot little hands off the butter so it doesn't melt.
Yeah, with you so far.
Solid chunks of butter are what give us a delightfully flaky pastry.
It's perfect.
As ever, all equipment is linked in the description box below and over on biteclub.tv.
Thank you.
Keep going until it resembles fine breadcrumbs. Trickle in ice cold water, a tablespoon at a time, until the dough starts to come together. 4 to 5 tablespoons should do it. Gently bring the dough together with your hands. and wrap it up in cling film to stop it from drying out. This is going to need at least an hour in the fridge to firm up.
What do you mean?
Roll the pastry out to about 2mm thick.
Good heavens!
Then transfer to a 24cm pie dish. There's so much butter in the dough that you don't need to grease the tip.
Come out.
Push the dough right into the corners. Then trim off the excess. Bring all the offcuts together into a ball, and that's going to form our lid. Transfer in the cold filling. Add in a pie funnel if you've got one. This will help the steam escape and keep our pie top crisp.
Well then, call me a miracle, dollface.
Be sure to cut a little slit for the steam to fight its way out.
It's gonna blow!
Crimp the edges to squidge the layers together. I like to egg wash first so you can get a nice contrast between the golden egg wash crust and any cups.
Man, this makes you look like a vision.
Decorate however your heart desires. Bake at 180 degrees fan for 40 to 45 minutes until golden and bubbly. And that, friends, is how you make the pie from Chicken Run.
Oh, that was good. That was good.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know in the comments which movie foods you want us to recreate next.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You've been a wonderful audience.
Wait, want to get your teeth into more Bite Club?
Of course.
You can find all our recipes and any equipment used in our videos over on biteclub.tv.
Chicken feed.
Remember, the first rule of Bite Club is you talk about Bite Club.